We'll go down and we'll show you some beautiful things around here, so stay with us. That's the old palace, maybe 14th or maybe 16th century, and still standing on his feet. Hurry up, boy, hurry up. We need a shelter ASAP. Go down. It's raining, drizzling. Run! And it's raining and we are here with our shelter. Look at this view. Amazing. Now the rain has stopped, so we have to go down. Oh, look at this tree. Destroyed by the thunder, I think. It broke in half. And that's glue coming from the pine tree, so you can use that glue on a paper, on a shoes. If you have a broken shoes, you can just use glue on the broken shoes. Sew down. And now we use a Google map. Here we are. We will go there. There's a beautiful old village, mountain village here. We will go here. We will go there and go down and reach the place. See you. Hi, just reached. We came from that side. We're challenging landslide area. The soil is so soft, the soil, so it's really hard to walk. And here we are in this beautiful valley and Himalayan mountain, Shivalik ranges. Wow, really amazing. Look at this. Look at this. Heaven on earth. That's the place we saw from the road. That place. Look at this. Oh, wonderful. Yeah. And just reach the first house, second abandoned. This side. Oh, look at this cow shelter and a human society here. But looking beautiful, isn't it? Beautiful. Yeah. Sahil. So now we will go climb up and we will see you in another location. See you. This is the view. We will go up. another abandoned house, and there was a one on top here. But this place looks beautiful. Good view from top. Humidity. I'm full of sweat. Laces. Ah. Grass on top for cows. Wow! Next time we will go there on the mountain. Old houses. Now look at this. Beautiful. Big task. Slippery. Another abandoned house. And look at this. They're doing a love, male and female. And look at this view from this place. Wow. It's risky to walk on those grasslands because of snakes, mostly snakes, poisonous, venomous, so we have to go fast. Look at this, amazing. My goodness, holy. Look at the view from top of the mountain. Almost there. Really exhausted. By the way, it was a good workout in the nature. Walking in a high steep mountain ridges in a Himalayan mountain. I'm exhausted. I need water, so we will drink on top of this bridge and then we will go down. See you there. And now where we are, let us check. So that's the place where we were. Look at this, cloudy, and then down you can see the sunlight. The rain will come in approximately 20 or maybe 10 minutes, so we have to leave this place and going down to reach the destination where we want to go. So we have to go, so let's go faster, man, faster.